Alright folks, today we're going to be inflating a Seahawk 4. So it's up to 4 people. It's about 12 feet long. It's got the thing for the roll, ropes, some ends so you could tie stuff down, make connections. A lot of people like to customize this one. I bought this one for myself, but it didn't work out. And rowing. I don't have the time to customize it, so I'm actually selling it, and we're gonna inflate it today. For the people that don't know how to inflate these boats, you're gonna have these plugs right here, like this, right? So it actually has this cap here, then this one, and then if you twist more in there, right, you see these things right here, if you twist them, gotta keep twisting it, it comes out, the hole gets bigger. So this full exit is to remove the air when you're done with the boat. Don't inflate, don't put the holes here to inflate it. It's actually this one. You want to tie this one on there, make it good. Make this one nice and tight. That's the base, okay? This is a base. Nice. And that hole right there is where the hose is gonna go. Okay, I'm pumping mine with the air pump today, electric air pump, an older one, but very good. So this has two. That one works the same way. Most of these bolts are like 2 layered for air, and then it's got the base air, a lot smaller, like a regular pump thing. I got this hose that has 3 connections. 1, 2, 3, and then 2 little adapters. Okay. Well, let's start it. It's gonna be a little loud. This is an electric pump, but I definitely recommend using an electric pump. The hand pump is doable, but it's tough. A lot of manual labor. So here it goes. Push it in. See? Pretty easy. It actually fits. That's what I'm saying. It's this one, not the other one. Even though the other one's a bigger hole, it's got to be this one, okay? Fixed in there nice and tight. And on. So as you can see with the electric pump, it actually starts inflating pretty quick. It's already got some air in it, popping out. So you should always extend it, you know, don't have it folded. Pull it out. Makes the pump easier. Doesn't push the air back. So as you can see, it's almost done now. As you can see, it's almost done now. You poke it pretty hard. So while that's done now, turn off the pump, pull this out, and this is in, and just like a quarter turn, and it locks it. That takes care of that, right? The same thing, okay? So you unscrew the top. Not gonna unscrew the bottom base because you already know how that works. Then, nice snug fit. And the second one getting filled. That's gonna fill in the inner ring. There's an outer ring and an inner ring. I guess you can inflate. I'm not sure if you would want The outer one and the inner one first. I like to do the outer one first. Okay, as you can see, getting hard. It's not quite as hard as this end, but it's getting there. Okay, feels good. So, air off, this out, cap off. And it's just on and turn quick, and that's it. And it's on there. Okay. The next one we need is this little one, and this is it's the base. So what we use for that is these adapters. It goes like then like a balloon. Whatever. Any with the toy. It's a little bigger than the inflatable toy. But just put it in there, kind of squeeze the end, air on. Kind of might want to hold this one in. See, I like to squeeze that inside because just like the inflatable toys, kind of gonna squeeze. And I can tell it's inflating already. Still squeezing it. It's definitely inflating. It kind of feels like it's not. Looks like it's not, but it definitely is. And now you can really tell it's inflating. As you can see, it's inflating now. A lot bigger. Pulling it out. Then it comes out. We're going to push it back in there, the air, or the cap. If the air comes out, looks like this. Make sure it's in there nice tight, and boom. So, we have the base, the inner ring, the outer ring, and boom. See how Okay, so now we're here at the ore section. See, this is just to add these. There's and this, and this. You could buy a like a conversion kit, and you could put an engine here. Then people put plywood, and you can even wrap a whole canopy on top of this thing. I don't have the time. I didn't want to put the effort. I'm just gonna upgrade to a hard boat. Lake Michigan didn't take this boat very well. But anyway, so we're back here to the ores. The ores. Let me just show you guys, just because I'll trip in on it at first. Here's the ore. Right? It's just an ore. And then it comes with the thing. This ring. This is the ring that's gonna save your life. Because after you build the ore, because it comes in a couple pieces, or even if it's in a single piece, maybe it comes with two of these rings. Right now I only got one ring. But then I have these connect here. So I'm gonna pretend this is the other way. Anyways, one ring would go here, or I'm gonna use this as a ring, right? So one ring would go here, then the ore goes out, slide the ore in this way, and then the ring goes on top. There, see, it doesn't go out this way, won't go out that way. And that's how the ore doesn't get lost. Maybe for people that don't know, that ring is gonna save your life. Throw a couple on there. Throw a couple on there. Forget about it. As long as it doesn't come out. See? So the other one would be the same thing. And that completes the boat. Oh, well, I guess you could do. So you could do 4 oars, 2 sets of people on this. Or people actually use these rings and this to put the canopy and like I'll build all the extras on there. Uh, this takes 4 people, about 600 pounds. It does. I took it on the lake and it floated. We got around, but it was tough for me solo. Push this. The wife is passenger. I was the motor. So I didn't get too far. But we did go around the boat area, the boat launch area, and then we brought it back and said, no. I was gonna do the whole extension on this, do all the extra custom, but I've lost interest. I don't have time. So here's the boat. Very nice boat. It's about 12 feet long and about 5 feet wide. Oh, I've also seen people put with these when they put the the engine on it. They put plywood or like plastics here so you can sit on it or do all types of stuff. It's very customizable. But anyways, that's it. Share, subscribe, and like. Just some information just for the people that don't know. Thank you and have a great day. So here's the pump. This is the main. Okay. Don't get because most of it actually comes with the manual pump. It takes 30 to 45 minutes to inflate this boat. That's 5 minutes with the electric pump. It's about 30 to 40 minutes. It depends how long you can pump. Keep pumping. So I'm gonna test it out so you guys can see how it works. It's the same thing. That's the hose. That's the hose that was on the electric pump that I took off and I put it back on this pump. So let me show you how this works. Oh, I could have it on the wrong side. There. I had it on the wrong side. So pushing it out the wrong way. This is the seat. This is a little seat for this thing. It's on there nice. And that's how this pump works.